What is land consciousness? Land is not the same as soil, earth, or terrain. Land is a single entity. It's like an envelope that brings together soil, plants, animals, waters, like a womb, like a mother. Land consciousness is a sensibility and awareness of land and understanding of what is going on in human-land relations. Being sensitive, aware, and understanding of the land does not only mean being informed in a rational and purely intellectual way. Land consciousness also means connecting with the land in a felt, in an emotional way, for instance through listening, feeling, sensing, remembering, imagining, and dreaming the land. Land consciousness is a transformational perspective that helps us connect to land as members of the living land. We carry the minerals, the water, and the labor of the land. Land consciousness is us. Our bodies are land. In order to gain land consciousness, we must relearn how to follow, how to track, how to stay in tune with the living and ever-changing land. Closer to our nomadic roots, land consciousness invites us to remember practices of cultural reconnection to land. Walking, trekking, trailing, pilgrimage, transhumance. These cultural practices are rooted to a deep ecological understanding of the land and its flows, its cycles. And this is much needed in times of crisis. Tuning into the land is vital to the reparation of ecological relations. At the heart of this transformation is a critical understanding of our land's memory. We must redress the many colonial violences that humans have inflicted on the land over several millennia. This includes critically interrogating and disrupting such practices as farming, agriculture, mining, enclosures, urban and home development, road building, and other forms of land colonialism and land violence or terracide. Land is the basis of any deep sense of belonging, of place, of community, of family, of self. It is the basis of environmental and social life. Land consciousness does not necessarily focus on technical knowledge in the same way that horticulture, permaculture, biodynamics, or land management may do. Land consciousness, it is not a philosophy. It is not written in books and academic research papers. Land consciousness is a lived ethos, a knowledge cultivated through living with, for, and as land.